Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we provide honest and thorough reviews of various products. Today, we've got something special for all the parents, teachers, and students out there. The ZNXZXP Kids Headphones Bulk 15-pack. These headphones are designed for school classrooms, students of all ages, and even adults. Let's dive right into it. First, let's talk about what this product offers. Bulk package. You get a set of 15 headphones in this package, perfect for classrooms, libraries, or large families. Multicolor variety. The headphones come in 10 different colors, allowing users to pick their favorite or color code for easy identification. Comfortable design. ZNXZXP has focused on comfort with leather ear covers that are soft and comfy, making long listening sessions a breeze. Durability. The headphones feature a ruggedized 3.5mm plug, ensuring they last through the school year and beyond. Adjustable fit. The over-ear design includes an adjustable headband, suitable for various head shapes and sizes, from kids to adults. Wide compatibility. These headphones work with tablets, iPads, Chromebooks, laptops, and more, making them versatile for various devices. Now, let's discuss some pros and cons. Here are the advantages of the ZNXZXP Kids Headphones. Affordable bulk option. Purchasing headphones in bulk is cost-effective, especially for schools or large families. Color variety. The different colors are fun and practical for personalization or organization. Comfortable to wear. Users, including kids, find the leather ear covers comfortable for extended use. Durable build. The ruggedized plug and overall design make these headphones durable and ideal for school settings. Adjustable fit. The adjustable headband ensures a comfortable fit for various head sizes. Now, let's talk about a couple of downsides. Sound quality. While suitable for general use, don't expect premium audio quality from these headphones. They are more functional than audiophile grade. Tight fit for some. A few users with larger heads found these headphones to be a bit tight, which might not be suitable for everyone. Classroom learning. These headphones are perfect for students in classrooms, helping them stay focused on their educational content. Family entertainment. With 15 headphones, families can enjoy movies, games, or music together without disturbing others. Library or study groups. Ideal for quiet study sessions or collaborative work in libraries or study groups. In conclusion, the ZNXZXP Kids Headphones Bulk 15-pack offers an affordable and practical solution for schools, families, and various group settings. While they may not provide top-tier sound quality, they excel in comfort, durability, and versatility. If you're looking for headphones that get the job done without breaking the bank, these could be an excellent choice for you. That wraps up our review of the ZNXZXP Kids Headphones Bulk 15-pack. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.